Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting video for all you pickup truck enthusiasts out there. We'll be exploring 5 creative and practical ways to make the most out of your beloved pickup truck. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1, the ultimate tailgating experience. A pickup truck is the perfect vehicle to transform your tailgating game. Use your truck bed as the ultimate party hub. Equip it with foldable tables, chairs, and a portable grill. You can even create a makeshift outdoor theater by mounting a projector and a large screen. Talk about tailgating like a champ. Number 2, the adventure seeker's companion. With its ruggedness and versatility, a pickup truck is an adventurer's best friend. Load up your mountain bikes, camping gear, and kayaks. Don't forget to install a roof rack to carry additional equipment. Whether it's an off-road trip or a camping expedition, your pickup truck will be there for you every step of the way.